We're back with the Siege of Pyke tutorial. Muster ships and set sail for the Iron Islands to quell the Greyjoy rebellion. Let's go. Sir Roderick Castle. The Greyjoys have declared open rebellion against the Seven Kingdoms, who have orders from the king to muster ships and set sail for Pyke to defeat their leader, Lord Balon. Planning phase. We have unlocked a special version of Consolidate Power with a star icon. When assigned to a castle, the Consolidate Power order allows you to muster in its location instead of taking crowns. Fab. Assign your Consolidate Power order to Winterfell to start assembling your fleet of ships. Right. Consolidate Power with a crown. Yeah, we'll confirm orders. Action. House Greyjoy is marching from Sunset Sea. Ugh. They got a lot of people, haven't they? Do you want to consolidate power or muster at Winterfell? Muster! Choose what to muster. A ship! Choose a sea region or port to muster your ship in. The Bay of Ice! Another ship. The Bay of Ice. Westeros phase. Nothing happens. Last days of summer. Game of Thrones. 1 crown for each crown controls. Your house earned a crown. Last days of summer. Nothing happens. The planning phase. Assign march orders to the Bay of Ice and Winterfell to continue a march towards Pyke, the home of the Balon's rebellion. Let's march. Let's march. Confirm. Action phase. Ships may be used to transport units to other land areas. March a single footman from Winterfell to Flint's Finger, using your ships as a sea bridge. Oh, I can just click on there. Haha, that was good. Confirm the march. 1v1. Play your Roose Bolton card to deal with this small band of pirates. Roose Bolton, go. Ha 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 ha. Defeated. Sail your ships to Sunset Sea. Where's Sunset Sea? Oh, there it is. It's next door. There? Oh. Oh, you can select them both at once, so that's good. That makes sense. Confirm the march. Westeros phase. A mustering card's been drawn. Upgrade your footmen in Flint's Finger and Winterfell into knights. Okay. Knights upgrade. Knights upgrade. You also need to continue growing your fleet. Use your second point of mustering in Winterfell to build a ship in the Bay of Ice. Build a ship. Clash of Kings. Bid on 3 influence tracks. Clash of Kings has been drawn. This time you'll bid on the Iron Throne influence track, in addition to the Fiefdom track. Position on the Iron Throne track determines the order in which players resolve actions. The player at the top of the track also gains the Iron Throne ability, breaking all ties outside of combat. Cool, not sure I understand. Let's bid 3 so that we still have enough left to price a competitive bid on Fiefdom track 2. Haha, we won! House Stark now picks the winner in all ties outside of combat. You bid more than the Greyjoys, earning the first spot on the Iron Throne track, along with the Iron Throne ability. Because the Greyjoys only have 3 crowns, we should be able to win the Iron Throne's tie-breaking ability if we bid 3. House Stark can now grant +1 strength in combat once per round. You did it. Choosing the Iron Throne's tie-breaking ability, you beat the Greyjoys to earn first place on the fiefdom track, gaining the first player ability of the Valerian Steel Blade. Nothing happens. Last days of summer. Cool. You have unlocked Defense Orders. Defense Orders can be used to increase the strength of the area when attacked. You have unlocked Raid Orders. Raid Orders can be used to remove enemy support orders, consolidate power orders, or even other raid orders. Assign a Defense Order to Flint's Finger to protect against any attacks from the Grey Water Watch. Oh, okay. Let's assign a Raid Order to your ships in the Sunset Sea to disrupt your enemy. Assign a Consolidate Power Order to Winterfell so you can continue to grow your army. Finally, assign support orders to ship in the Bay of Ice to help protect your adjacent areas. Confirm the orders. Action. Raids are the first orders to be resolved in the action phase, followed by marches and consolidate power. Defense and support orders resolved during combat. Okay. Sea areas are especially useful supporting and raids. Sea areas can support and raid land areas. Land areas can't support or raid sea areas. Good to know. Because you are higher on the Iron Throne track, you will get to raid first. Use your raid order in Sunset Sea to remove the support in Ironsman's Bay. This will prevent the enemy ships from supporting an attack in the adjacent area. Your opponent is now left with no adjacent orders to raid. Not sure I quite understand. House Greyjoy selects a raid order to resolve. Uh-oh. Combat 1 versus 3. No! Oh yeah, we're the defender. You are being attacked during this strength +4, +2 for your knight, +1 for your supporting ship, +1 for your defense order. Caitlin Stark is best used when defending. Player to double the value of your defense order. Ah, that's why she's 0. Got ya. Flint's Finger will not fall today. You break the tie because of your higher placement on the Fiefdom Influence track. Your opponent's footmen must retreat back to Greywater Watch rooted. Means next time they're attacked, they lose, they die. Do you want to consolidate power or muster at Winterfell? Let's muster. New type of unit is available. Siege Engine, 4 strength when attacking a castle or stronghold. Destroy this unit when rooted. Use your 2 mustering power in Winterfell to muster the powerful offensive Siege Engine. Siege Engines contribute 4 strength when attacking or supporting combat against a castle. The downside to Siege Engines is that they provide no strength when attacking an area without a castle, and they're also useless on the defense. Westeros phase. Supply! Haha! Collect a crown for each crown. Nothing happens on the last days of summer. Action phase. The king has ordered you lay siege to Pyke this round. His master of ships will place your orders for you during the planning phase, and it's up for you to how to resolve them. Okay. Goal. Defeat Lord Balon in Pyke this round. Removing an enemy consolidate power order with a raid allows you to pillage, stealing 1 crown from that player. Ah. Okay. Sir Roderick Castle, your men have their orders, sir, but they will need your expert guidance for when and where to march. Once you take the Ironman's Bay with your ships, you should be able to transport your siege engine and 2 knights to attack Pyke. Choose a march order to resolve. Oh. Confirm the march. 2v2. Eddard Stark, go. Victory is ours. Haha, the ships are down. Two versus 7. Ah! We lost. But you won't defeat these. Sir Roderick Castle. You failed to take Pyke this round. I failed. I heard you stirring into your sleep. Men have known to have nightmares about the battle ahead. Attack Ironsman's Bay with your ship to make a path to Pyke, resolving your march order in Winterfell before Greywater Watch allow you to get a siege engine in 2 nights all the way to Pyke this round. Remember, units can move more than once a turn so long as you move them into a space with one of your other march orders. Oh. Right, so at least we did this right. Attacking the ships is the right thing to do. Sir Roderick Castle. We win the tie. Fiefdom tiebreaker. So the Winterfell ones. So does it mean go to there? And then you can grab all of those and go to Pyke. Confirm the march. Yes, we'll spend a crown to keep control of Flint's Finger. Haha, this is more like it. Eddard Stark, go. Use the Valerian Steel Blade to add 1 strength to your side. The base combat strength of your opponent's house card is reduced to 0. Ugh. Haha! Victory! Fiefdom tiebreaker. The Greyjoy's fleet is yours. When you defeat an area with a port, you gain control of all ships in that area. Yes. Sir Roderick Castle. Lord Balon has bent the knee to the king, and you will take his son, Theon Greyjoy, as ward to ensure the truce. Well done. The crown will be pleased. End of game. Victory. That was quite exciting. I didn't quite get it right first time, but, you know, every day's a school day, so we managed to learn that. this game is quite intricate, but I think we're still following so far, so on to the next tutorial, and hopefully we'll consolidate everything, then be ready for a real game. Using my Game of Thrones voice, that I don't even know whether it makes any sense. But stay tuned, we will catch you soon, and leave us some comments in below if you have any tips for us on the game. See you later!